How do you say Tuesday in Portuguese? The word Tuesday in Portuguese is terça-feira. Terça-feira. A consulta é na terça-feira. A consulta é na terça-feira. The appointment is on Tuesday. Vamos viajar na terça. Vamos viajar na terça. We're traveling on Tuesday. Hoje é terça-feira. Hoje é terça-feira. Today is Tuesday. The word terça means third in Portuguese, and that's because Tuesday is the third day of the week in the Portuguese calendar. It starts with Sunday, then it's Monday, and then it's Tuesday, so it's the third day. And very often people just say terça to mean Tuesday rather than terça-feira. But if you want to say Tuesday in Portuguese, you can say terça-feira. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado.